We'll guide you through how to import PST files in the new Outlook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here I've got an Outlook PST file I want to import into the new Outlook. We'll guide you through how this is done. You need to go to the top right and you can press settings, which is the gear or cog icon. Go to the left and you can press files, and you then want to go and press import. To do it, we need to use the classic Outlook. So press import from classic Outlook and it will then go and open this up. Now what you want to do is go to the top left and press file. You want to go and find the option for open and export to the left and find open/export. Go and select import from another program or file and press next. Then you want to go and select PST, press next. Then you can go and find it. So we can press browse to the right and go and locate wherever you went and have the backup. Go and select it and press open. Then you can go and choose replace duplicates of items imported or whatever option you want. Choose the option you want. I'll go and press allow duplicates with items to be imported, press next, and then we can go and press finish. Now go and wait while this goes and runs. When it goes and runs, it will automatically go and update in the new Outlook.